Hey, the 5-day video challenge of something that you may or may not know about me in 1 minute or less. I left home when I was 17 and a half years old and joined the Navy. Since then, I have gone through the school of hard knocks, and I have self-taught myself anything and everything that I need to know, owning and operating my own restaurant, to owning and operating my own handyman business, to owning and operating an SMMA agency, along with video editing. And as you can tell, I love doing green screen work. If you want to learn some tips and tricks, reach out to me, Brady the Gotti, at bradytheodore.com. Had to plug myself there.